This video is long overdue. Here is a look at my empty house tour. I am a first-time homeowner. I did have a house when I was married, but it was not in my name, so that is why I'm considering this my first home. So very excited, and hopefully soon I'll be able to do an updated video with some of it actually done and decorated. It's definitely been a work in progress. Here is the dining room. Then we're going into the kitchen. And welcome back if you are new here. My name is Staci, and I will leave a link in the cards about kind of my get ready with me, where I talked from going from engagement to divorce and kind of my story, so that if you're new, you can kind of get to know me a little bit better. And I would love if you would consider hitting the subscribe button to join me here at least 3 times a week. And here's the hall closet. And yes, the hallway is painted pink. And I loved this. Yes, a pink sink and a pink bathtub. Yay, not changing that. And there is a laundry chute. How cool is that? And here we have a spare bedroom, which will be a spare bedroom, and just kind of guest bedroom and house some of my purses and my shoes. There is a bedroom on either side at the end of the hallway, and this one is going to be my office, my photo area for both Instagram filming for YouTube and photos for eBay. And then across the hall here is the master bedroom, and the bath is attached to it. And here's just a process of I was starting to move some things in. Luckily, the previous owners left those blinds, or curtains, excuse me, not blinds, but they did leave the blinds the rest of the house as well. And here is after the movers and after a moving day. Yes, I have a lot of stuff. And yeah, that's just real life, right? And I did go ahead and lay down some of the contact paper. I don't know, it's not really contact paper. It's kind of just that shelf lining, I guess. So that is ready to go to start putting some things away. Trying to just figure out where everything will go. This is the first time that I've had drawers, the deep drawers like that. So hopefully that will be nice. And as you can see, I don't have a lot of furniture. Just trying to buy stuff. I found that at Michael's, such a nice cart. And yeah, it's getting a little messy here. Gonna have to get organized. And I did get this marbleized contact paper that is gonna go in the shelves in the bathrooms, in the drawers. Just to line it, I got some different contact paper you will see for the hall closet. And yes, the shoes and purses are starting to get unpacked. I bought that shelving unit when Carson's was going out of business for my shoes. Yeah, so I took up what they had, and then here is the new contact paper I'm laying down. I have to still kind of crease it over to make it stick. I went ahead and just cut it and made sure it was gonna fit correctly before I peeled off the back and actually stuck it on. And right now I do have a desk and everything. I did end up buying more furniture, of course. So like I said, hopefully I will have everything ready. My goal is to do at least an office tour video by the end of the year. And that mattress is actually one of those bed in a boxes. Those things are amazing how fast they like poof up. It's just crazy. And I do need to find a dresser. And I just realized that I did not take any footage of my basement empty. And of course now it has stuff in it. So I will just put up some pictures that was on the listing of the house when I bought it. So here's kind of, you can get an idea of where the basement is. This is where I house all of my inventory for eBay and Poshmark and my holiday decor. So that is just a look at my house, pretty much empty or just with boxes. Thank you so much for watching. Again, I hope that if you haven't already, that you will consider hitting the subscribe button so that you can join me here at least 3 times a week. And thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have a good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are, and that you'll come back and see me. Thanks. Bye.